Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. What I'll be doing today is the installation of this wig, and then I'm going to show you guys how I got this makeup look. So if you guys would like to see how I did that, please keep on watching. So guys, what we're going to be doing today is laying a lace front wig. Okay, so I watched a few videos on YouTube and I'm just showing you guys here what the lace front looks like. You know, when they say you watch a few videos, all of a sudden it's an explode, right? So guys, I'm just showing you exactly what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it to the best of my ability. I'm going to do the ball cap method, and guys, we will see what this video, what it looks like. So I'm gonna just speed up the other processes as I'm doing it, so you guys could see just exactly how I got this look. So I'll just speed up everything now. So guys, basically what I'm doing here is just gelling back my cornrows. It's self-explanatory. I'm doing the ball cap method, so I'm just getting my edges out of the way, spraying it with some even spray, applying the ball cap. Guys, you all can look and see exactly what I'm doing, and just follow along if you guys need to. All you are here jamming out to some music and just trying out this ball cap method all here. This is my first time, as I said before, learning wig, but you know, when you go to the University of YouTube, you feel you know everything. So guys, I'm just basically following what I saw in a few videos and applying that there. This is the wig, the Ebin lace tint. I'm applying and drying with the blow dryer there, and I'm just using this little scissors to cut the little excess of the wig cap, and applying the wig on my head now. So guys, I'm gonna just let you look at what I'm doing, because I am not very good at doing this, and you can listen to the music in the background as well, and I'll come back in when I need to. So guys, what I'm going to be doing here is a softglam look with you guys, and I'm just going to talk you all through my process. So I'm just going to set my brows with the AOA Studio brow gel, and then I'm using my Kenzie Beauty eyebrow pencil in order to fill in my brows. So I'm going to be filling in my both brows, and I'm using this spoolie from my AOA brush there, and I'm just using that to blend out the pencil. I'm listening to some music, so if you see me kind of boogieing, I listen to some music as I'm doing the makeup look. I guess it's just pass the time. So what I'm going to be doing here is filling in my brows, and I'm just blending them in. What I'm going to be doing now is concealing my brows after I've filled them in, and I'm showing you guys the Kenzie Beauty Brow Pencil, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in Honey 415, and I'm using that and my AOA Studio Concealer brush, and I'm just using that to conceal my eyelids. Yeah, and they jamming out, and I'm just using the CoverGirl concealer to cover the dark spots that I do have on my face at present. So I'm just carving my brows out here, and again priming my lids with the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using. So I'm just blending that out there with a clean blending brush. It's a generic blending brush from a set that I ordered on Amazon. So I'm just blending everything out there again, fixing the brows, making sure they look like cousins, sisters, not twins. So I'm just, as I said, concealing up my brows. So I have a mirror right in front of me, guys, and that is what I'm using to see, as well as I'm using the viewfinder on the camera as well to do my makeup. So all it is a kind of mad scene here, but I'm trying my best to keep in frame so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, just blending out the brows. Again, the brows will take the longest, let me be honest. The longest process is the brows. So I was going to use my Infallible skin tint, but then I decided to use my L'Oreal foundation, and the foundation shade is in W9 Warm Medium Deep. That is what I have the L'Oreal True Match foundation in, and I'm just using a flat top brush in order to apply that all over my face. Now I don't use a lot of foundation because I do not think that I need it, to be totally honest, but to each his own. You do what works for you. So I'm just blending out the foundation on my face there and that's it. They're jamming out. Also I am applying my concealer. That's again the L'Oreal Infallible Honey in 415, and I'm just blending that out with a face brush and also with the foundation brush that I used before. Whatever little foundation there is left on the brush is what I'm using basically to blend out my face. So I'm just applying some concealer to my upper lip and my forehead, and again I'm blending that out with the foundation brush so that everything is smooth, so that you would be able to see exactly what I'm doing. And when I look down, I'm looking in the mirror again. So I'm using my Maybelline, and that is the loose setting powder, and that is in medium 25, and I'm using my Triangle Puff from Tobaglo Cosmetics, and I'm using that to set the concealer under my eye. Now I don't use a lot of product. I basically use just enough to set it so that it doesn't look cakey, and I'm just applying that to my under eye. After that, I'm just blending out some concealer I had put on my nose to cover a mark there, and that would be the CoverGirl concealer. Just blending out and setting my eyelids now in order to apply my eyeshadow. Now again, as I said to you guys, I'm doing a soft glam look, so I'm not using anything intricate. I'm using my favorite palette, which is the Juvia's Blaze palette by Vanessa, as well as the bronzer and the blush palette. Again, I would place exactly what I use in the makeup section as I use them in the description of the video, so you guys would be able to know the products that I'm using. So I'm using that light shade and setting the whole eye, and I'm using my brush from Selfish Cosmetics, and I'm just blending that into my crease, and I'm doing the both eyes at the same time, talking to my son, and I'm blending that in. So I'm going in with that dark brown and this small e.l.f. detail brush, and I'm going into my crease and my outer V with this color in order to blend it in. So I'm just going in and defining my crease of my eyes, and I'm taking my time and blending. Even though I've sped up the video, this did take a long time to do. Well, I wouldn't say a long time. It took me about 25 minutes from beginning to end to do the look. So I'm just blending with a MAC, I think a 224 dupe, and it's clean, and I'm just blending out the shadow. So the same light color I used in the beginning to set my whole eyebrow, sorry, my whole lid, I'm applying that to my lip space, and I'm just blending that in with the darker brown color that I used in my crease. So I'm just blending that and making sure everything is smooth again with the MAC dupe, and I'm there blending, making sure everything is blended well, and I'm using that angle brush and my bronzer as well as the dark color in the Juvia's Place palette, and I will find out what the name of the color is. I'm using that to just line my eyelashes, my lash line, sorry. So I'm lining the two lashes there, or my two lash lines, and the dark color is called BSG and the lighter color is called Busy. So I'm just lining my lash line there because I'm using that as my eyeliner. I'm not lining my eyes with any harsh liner. I'm just using a shadow to apply a liner on my eyes. So I'm just blending out my foundation there again, and I'm using my e.l.f. powder and my Hailey's Beauty foundation brush, or powder brush, sorry, and I'm setting the rest of my face with it. I'm setting all where I had my foundation. I'm just setting my face wherever I had foundation, and I'm adding my bronzer now to my face. And again, I would put the exact name of the products I'm using in the description box below in the order that I have applied them. So I'm just bronzing the face up there, nothing too much, just bringing some color back. And I'm adding that orange blush onto the apples of my cheek, and I'm still using the powder brush from Hailey's Beauty that I use for bronzer and powder as well to apply this. So I'm using a large powder brush, and I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics powder foundation, and I'm just going over everything there with it so that everything blends together. I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and that is what I'm using to apply mascara to my lashes. And I'm just showing you the way lashes in uni. I applied that off camera, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like as I am going or looking for my lip combo. So I'm using the Absolute New York. I'm sorry, here I'm I'm putting mascara on my lower lash line. That is what I'm doing here. I'm just showing you guys the wand so you all can see what it looks like. God, sorry, all this in my head, but I'm trying to, make it look good as well as apply it precisely. So I'm just putting on my brow gel, and this is the L'Oreal brow gel in dark brown. And I'm setting my brows with that at this time. Just using the mirror that's directly in front of me, guys. I'm trying to stay in frame for you. And I'm setting the brows there. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is my lip combo. So what I'm going to be using for my lip combo is the Absolute New York Duo Lip, as well as the Ruby Kisses Butter Gloss. That is a dupe for the NYX Cosmetics Butter Glosses, as well as a Trinidad Cellar gloss to finish it off. So I'm just blotting a little bit of that color on the lips there after I've lined it, and I'm adding the Ruby Kisses gloss now, not a lot, just a little. And then I'm going to use this dark brown, which is my favorite lip gloss, to the lip to add glossiness as well as color. So what I'm going to be doing now is just going over the face with my powder brush. Again, I didn't add anything new to it. And then I'm going to just set my face with the AOA Studios Makeup Setting Spray. It's neither dewy or matte. It's just a makeup setting spray. So I'm just going to, glam up and come back to show you guys exactly what I look like. I'm going to add a few pictures at the end. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.